Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one variation of Keherwa Taal that we have learned in a previous video. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 1 and a 1 and a 1 and a 1. Let's break it down now. What we are doing is we are excluding the and of the second beat and the bass of third beat that we were playing in the previous rhythm, and rest of the rhythmic pattern is exactly same. Earlier we were playing 1 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 1. And now if we exclude the and of second beat and the bass of third beat, then it will sound like this. 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and 1 and 3 and a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson. And now I want you to practice this variation on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.